Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Parvej and today we will learn how to do face swap in Adobe Photoshop CC 2021. I think you will learn something new from the video, so keep watching and practicing with me. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon below for new notifications. Let's start the design. After taking the artboard, at first we have to place a picture. For that, go to File and click on Place Embedded. Then choose a picture. Okay, just choose the version's image and click on Place. Okay, then press Enter. Okay, then go to image layer and duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl and Command J. Then select the layer and go Option and make rasterized layer. Now we have to place another picture. Then go to File again and click on Place Embedded. Then select the Mr. Bean's image. Okay, just select and click on Place. Okay, then select the anchor point and just drag to center and make little bit small like this. Perfect. Then select the image layer and go Option, make rasterized layer. I want to swap Mr. Bean face on email version page. Then select the Mr. Bean's image layer. Then take freeform Pentool and just select swapping area, what area you want to swap. Just select like this. Okay, then go Option and make selection. With feather radius 0, then press OK. Then make copy selection area by Ctrl and Command J. Then select the layer and just delete. Okay. Then select the first layer and then select transform tool and adjust the layer. Just drag and drop here and make little bit small and just drop here. That's fine. Then we have to select the layer object. For that, select the image layer and go to selection, then click on load selection. With the properties, then press OK and select the make selection. Okay, then go to select again and go modify, then go contract by contract value 13, then press OK. Then select the second layer, press delete key and just delete second layer selected area. Okay, and see, it's perfectly done. Now hold shift key and select two layer, then go to edit and click on auto blend layer and then press OK. See, it's automatically blend the layer. Okay, is the final result. Now hold shift key and select a 3 layer and go option, just click on merge layer. Now we can see before and after work. Okay, just click on eye sign and then turn off and turn on. In this way you can swap any face in Adobe Photoshop CC 2021. If you really like my videos, please do subscribe, and I'll be back with another video soon. Till then, take care, bye bye.